Happy New Year for all of you. And how does the year become happy? You follow the resolve to realize the self. And just attend on the acronym RESOLVE, resolve. R, rise. Follow the path of righteousness. E, enter the gates of liberation. Go into deep study in Yoga Vasishtha. Serenity, Shama, these are gates of liberation. Liberation is described like a big palace. Can get through any one of these qualities, any of the four qualities. So they are like gates. So whichever gate you choose, liberation is the goal. And if you choose one gate, all the other gates automatically open up for you. Serenity, first gate. Santosh, contentment. Satsang, good association. Vichar, inquiry into who am I. So all these relate to E, enter gates of liberation. S, surrender. Surrender to God. O, Om. Practice Om Upasana. A-U-M, and go beyond all the three. L, love. Lali mere lal ki. Develop a heart filled with love of God and see the God expressing himself in all names and forms. So from practical point of view, allow your heart to enjoy goodwill with the prayer Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. V is victory. Do not be defeated. Attain victory. If you follow the path of karma, you are following the path of defeat. Karma means cycle of birth and death. Follow the path leading to liberation, that's victory. And that's each time people greet, they're reminding of the great goal. Jai Ho, Jai, victory, Jai, Jai, Jai. And E is eternity. So RESOLVE. Live your day. If you have the resolve in daily life, then D becomes a process of dedication and devotion. A is enriching your aspiration. Why? Yoga. So don't wait for a special day. Live day by day.